Well, hi folks, you know I've had to get rid of my polytunnel at home, so I've constructed something up there. You might not be able to see me very well because it might be a bit bright, but we'll see how it goes. So as you know, I work in a pottery, so this is basically our storeroom. So what I've done is, if you can see, I've put some straps up. We've got a roof light up here, clear roof light. I've given it a good clean. I've constructed this thingy, basically just a big flat table, and I'll just have a walk up my little steps. It's a bit precarious. See if I can get up without falling off. It seems to be doing the job. Oh, as you can see, I've put some lights on as well, just in case it's a bit dull. It just helps with the light. So this is it. Roof light up here. Nice, gets nice and warm, nice and bright. So I've got all my seedlings up here. Things looking quite good actually. Nothing's going leggy. All seem to be growing well. Some of the lettuces are sowed only on Saturday, I think. They're coming up. Peas are sowed in the gutters again, coming up. So everything, with this good weather we're having, everything should be flying along. So even got my potatoes up here, looks to. So I've got some potatoes up there. I put some little sort of reflective panels on, basically anything white, just to reflect any light back that goes that way. It just helps keep, you know, keep more light in, because it's not 100% see through this, but it's about 75% as good as being outside. So anyway, we'll just show you how things are going. There are the potatoes in the pots, 10-litre pots, doing all right. They've all come up now. These will be growing all the time in here because I want to get an early crop. So that's good. I did have to sow a second lot of red onions because I sowed some quite old seed, and the zebrun as well. So this is a second sowing, but doing really well now. Fresh seed. As with the zebrun, there are the leeks in the ice cream tubs. It's a bit hard. I've got some radishes up there in the pot, as you can possibly see. These are the cabbages. Only sowed these, like I said, 4 days ago on Saturday, so they've come up really well. Again, all fresh seed. Tends to make a big difference. Some kale coming there. Some landcress. These are the lettuces. Now the only one I've had a complete blank with so far is one called Simpson's Black Seeded or something, and not a single one has come up of those, so I'm disappointed with that, and that's brand new seeds. So I might have to get in touch with the company and say, look, it must be Duff, because I'm not an idiot. So anyway, some more red onions over there, some white Lisbon spring onions, and then, like I said, the peas all just starting to come up now, lovely and warm. So yeah, this is my growing room now, the alternative to the polytunnel. Looks pretty good. These lights are only 10 watt LEDs, and I've got one of those funky little LED things that's about 5 watts, so whether it does any good or not, but I don't know. But I put my light meter up, and it does, on dull days it sort of doubles the light, so it can't do any harm. So there you go folks, that's my little grow room. That's how things are progressing at the moment, just into April, so not looking too bad. So there we go, up in the roof. It's getting really hot, so see you later.